Blanco Ashwin
Hello.
here. Can I help you?
Yes,
Thank you for
Rishabh this side.
Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
But you transferred my call, but I haven't connected to any person.
Okay, just a second. It's Rishabh Srivastav, right?
Yes, yes.
Just be online, so I'm putting it across again.
Thanks for your call. Please stay on the line. Thanks for your call. Please stay on the line.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Please tell me.
Yes, I was the previous customer of yours.
Certainly, sir. Please tell me, sir. How can I help you,
Okay. Now I want one bed.
sir? Right, sir. You can certainly go ahead and order, sir. And as you are a part of Furlenco before, first month is absolutely free for you, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir. What bed are you looking at, sir?
No, you tell me. 4x6.
Okay.
Any bed you have?
4 by 6. Let me check, sir. We actually have 5 by 6, sir.
Price?
Just a minute, sir. I'll tell you. You want with mattress or without mattress, sir?
With mattress.
Okay. And you want the pillows as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. Right.
It's a complete set, na?
Complete set. Right. So it will cost you 1450, sir. 1450 would be a security deposit. You have a fair idea how it works out. 1450 you are paying right now, going ahead with the order. And first month you are not paying us anything. From the second month onwards, it will back to a premium of 1450, sir. It includes the bed, it includes the mattress, 2 pillow, mattress cover, and it's actually the length is 6 feet 8 inches, and the breadth is 5 feet 2 inches, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Any, you don't have in 4x6?
4 by 6 is in there, sir.
Then you have 3x6.
We have what?
You have 3x6.
3 by 6. No, sir. 3 by 6 is not there, sir. It's only 6. I mean, 3 by 6, you mean width should be 3, is it? 3
Yes.
feet, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. I think so. 3 by 6. Yes, 3 by 6 is there. It's a single mattress, sir.
That is of
Single bed for 999, sir.
Okay.
Which again, for the first month, it's free.
But you don't have for that. Okay.
Right,
So
sir.
then I will go for bounce you have now.
Bounce, right, sir. Bounce also it's there. Bounce again, it's first month is free for you. And bounce you can put it the way you want it, sir. It's again a different product. You can certainly go for it.
Sorry?
It's a different product, as in it's not like a bed, but you can use it for a bed.
No, last time I ordered bounce only, na?
Okay, right, sir. So you want bounce again, is it?
Yes, you can give the bounce again.
Okay, correct, sir.
Okay, but
Right.
how much I have to pay?
Which bounce you want, sir? Like it's a 4-piece bounce or a 2-piece bouncer, basically?
Two. That is 4x6, na?
8 minutes, sir.
4x6.5.
4 by 6, correct, sir. You remember it, yes. 4 by 6.
4x6.
That is
so
there.
the
Haji, sir.
same only I want. When I will get the delivery?
If you order it today, sir, we'll deliver it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
okay. Which color you have?
Blue color, sir.
That one brown color you don't have?
Brown color, it's actually bigger, sir. It's not 4 by 6. It's much more bigger. It's in fact, it's very big.
How big it is?
I'll tell you, sir. So, 2 of those, sir. So one bounce is 4 by 6, right?
Okay.
Make two of those. 2 more. So it will become a square.
8 by 6.
8 by 6, yes. 8 by 6.
Okay.
That is 1500, sir.
1500 with all that accessories?
Yes, with all the accessories, side lamp, you have a utility table, laptop table, all the accessories, sir, enclosed.
Utility table and?
Utility table, your laptop table, tripod lamp, and
two utility table or one?
one utility table, one laptop, one tripod lamp, and 4 of those pieces, sir. Instead of 2, like how you ordered last time, it's 4 now. 4 piece.
4.
And that's for 1500, sir. With first month again free.
First month again free.
Correct, sir.
Okay. And what is the process of cleaning?
Cleaning, is it?
Yes.
Cleaning is, sir, when you give us a call, we'll come and come ahead and clean the product, sir, for you.
So, can you
No,
clean the product every month?
Every month, I don't think so. It's once in 12 months, sir.
No, because why I returned the bounce? Because there was some insects are coming.
Okay. In that case, sir, yes, we can do it every month, sir.
Yes.
In that case, oh my God, okay. That case, absolutely, sir.
No, that's
issues
why
at
I've
all.
returned the product. Because
Certainly,
I don't want they are biting me here.
Right, sir. That case, absolutely, sir. It's not even a question, sir. 100%. It's a matter of you retaining as a customer. Absolutely, sir. No issues at all.
Because last time this was the main concern. Why I've returned
Certainly.
the product.
So, sir, because even in my home, I'm using bounce. There are no insects. So that is probably because of, I don't know.
No,
in my, yeah.
See, I'm staying in ground floor.
Correct. That is the reason, sir, probably. 99.9% it's because of the ground floor, because I'm staying in second floor. I was about to tell. It's even my friend has in ground floor, but what he has done is, he has blocked that place. I mean, he only uses it while using AC, or he doesn't open his window. Probably because of that, he didn't face any termite issue or any of that insect. But probably you are facing.
No,
if that is the case,
no,
yes, sir.
in this case, what happens?
Hanji.
If we are using AC,
Hanji.
so in AC the insect will not appear.
Correct.
Okay, if you are not
Yes.
using the AC, so moisture is there for 24 hours because we are not
Absolutely.
getting the sunlight.
Absolutely, sir.
So that is the main reason.
Correct,
When
sir.
moisture is there, it will
Absolutely,
again
sir.
insects will be there.
Just like you and I, if we stayed in hostel, we can relate it, sir. Absolutely. It's the same
Yes.
issue. Correct, sir.
So
I understand. That way, yes, sir. We can certainly do it. That's not even a question, sir. It's our,
within
I mean,
25 to 30 days, once you have
Hanji,
your
sir.
person to come and clean that
Bilkul, sir. Absolutely.
deep clean.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So you just you have my number.
I have your number. I tried reaching you, sir. So I was your point of contact. I am responsible for your quality and everything. But I tried reaching you. It says invalid number. Hence.
Okay, that number is terminated. Okay.
Okay. Please tell me, sir.
7259
7259
24
24
8385.
8385. Is it?
Yes.
7259 24 8385.
Yes.
Okay. Right, sir. And when are you planning to book this, sir?
Just now only.
Okay. So
You are
if
giving
you
me the delivery by tomorrow, no?
So exactly, sir. That's what I wanted to tell you, sir. The 2-piece bounce M is available for tomorrow. But if in case that 4-piece bounce, if you're ordering, sir, it is available by 11th, which is Saturday, sir. So that is one thing I wanted to tell you, sir.
So you can do one thing, na?
For tomorrow's delivery, is it?
No, you can do one thing, na?
Correct.
You have that utility table and all.
Hanji,
Right.
sir.
So give me
Okay.
2 bounce tomorrow, and rest 2 pieces you can give me on Saturday.
Okay. Let me just check one, sir. If you don't mind, sir, can I please confirm if I can do a delivery tomorrow itself? If you can
Yes.
just,
just
I'll dial the same number, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir. I'll dial you
Yes,
back.
sure.
Okay.
You can-
7259 248385, right?
Yes.
Right, sir. All right, sir.
Okay.